Good morning to all. Today I am going to discuss about the parameters of antenna. These are the basic parameters of antenna. So we'll discuss circuit quantities and space quantities as shown in the figure. So circuit quantities are antenna impedance, radiation resistance, antenna temperature. Space quantities are field patterns, polarization, power patterns, beam area, directivity, gain, effective area, and radiation cross section. Sorry, radar cross section. So, what is radiation pattern? So, antenna cannot radiate energy uniformly in all directions. It is found that the radiation is large in one direction while zero or minimum in other direction. The radiation from an antenna is measured in terms of field strength. The unit of radiation pattern is volt per meter. If the radiation is expressed in terms of power per unit solid angle, then it is called power pattern. In general, radiation pattern is nothing but a graph which shows the variation of field from the antenna, and it is a 3D graph as shown in the figure, as shown in this figure. So, first of all, we have to know about what is radian and steradian. So, radian, we already know that radian from this figure, theta is equal to L by R. L is the length of this arc and theta where R is the radius. So same, suppose we want to calculate the solid angle d omega or omega. So which is nothing but this area dA by R square, where dA is equal to S, the surface area of this solid figure. So this S is the surface area of spherical area, that is 2 pi RH, and R is the radius. Now we'll calculate what is d omega. So we know that dA is equal to, from the figure, dA is equal to R square sin theta d theta d phi. So d omega is equal to dA by R square. Then if you substitute dA in this equation, you will get sin theta d theta d phi. Radiation intensity U of theta comma phi. Radiation intensity is defined as power per unit solid angle. It is expressed in watts per steradian. The radiation intensity does not depend on the distance from the antenna. It only depends on the power radiated and the solid angle. So U average is a normalized value, that is U by U max, which is equal to P radiated by 4 pi. So how to calculate P radiated? P radiated is equal to power radiated in theta direction and phi direction. We have to calculate power radiated in theta direction and phi direction. So we know that theta is changing from 0 to pi and phi is changing from 0 to 2 pi, and we already know from the previous slide d omega is equal to u sin theta d theta d phi. So this see this figure, this this we have to calculate the power radiated from this solid structure. So P radiated. So P radiated by, if you find a solid angle, that gives you radiation intensity. Radiation intensity is nothing but power radiated per unit solid angle. Then how to calculate directivity? So directivity is defined as ratio of maximum radiation intensity to the average radiation intensity. D is equal to U max by U average. So, and D can also be calculated as radiation intensity of a particular antenna by radiation intensity of isotropic antenna. So, U max by U average of isotropic antenna. But we have already calculated U average. So, U average is equal to P radiated by 4 pi. So, if you substitute this U average in the expression of D, you will get U max by P radiated by 4 pi, that is equal to U max into 4 pi by P radiated. So, next parameters, remaining parameters we'll see in the next class. Thank you all.